Hello and welcome to Ecoholics. In this small video, we'll discuss about the meaning of the term liquidity preference with example. Now, liquidity preference means a desire to hold money. If an individual wants money, it's kind of a liquidity preference because money is in the form of liquid. So if you are having currency like rupee, dollar, anything, that is the most liquid form. So it means people are preferring money over stocks, fixed deposits, bonds, etc. So there are three kinds of liquidity preference generally people ask. One is transaction motive, second precautionary motive, and the third one is speculative motive. So these are the three motives where individual demands liquidity. Now when this liquidity preference goes high or goes low, the major thing is when the supply of money is slow, liquidity preference would be high. On the basis of that, the difference when we can say vice versa can happen in the economy. Now liquidity preference is very important in order to control the credit in the country. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.